Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the island remains on a high alert after a flash flood watch was issued for multiple parishes. The flash flood watch is now in effect for low-lying and flood-prone areas across Westmoreland, St Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, St Catherine, St Thomas, Kingston and St Andrew.
And that is until 5 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, the alert comes as an active tropical wave moves across Jamaica, interacting with an upper-level trough, a combination expected to generate unstable weather conditions until late Wednesday afternoon.
Now, of course, forecasters say dangerous flooding is possible with periods of showers and thunderstorms impacting the island, particularly southern parishes.
Now, strong winds are also expected along southern coastal areas and offshore, prompting warnings to fishers and marine interests to exercise extreme caution as sea conditions deteriorate. Now, meanwhile, the impact of the weather was already being felt this afternoon in sections of St. Thomas. A section of the Yalos Main Road was flooded around 3 p.m. after heavy rains lashed the area, disrupting movement.
Not here. They want to have no people. They want to just keep on the road at all times. And so the people man driving out and then ease up and they wake me up. So this side road is not ready, no time.